Good morning, YouTube. Okay, I'm so excited about this video. We are, 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks into NaNoWriMo. And the 3-week mark, I don't know about for you guys, but the 3-week mark is always that time where I start to feel stuck. I start to feel like my words just aren't coming. And so it's the perfect time to open a box of goodies. And so that's what I'm doing. Ashley and I will put her channel down below. We decided, since we both were doing NaNoWriMo together this year, that we would kind of be accountability partners. And we started collecting items for each other in October while prepping, for the specific purpose of sending this box of goodies so that it will arrive at that really difficult time of NaNoWriMo. And so that is what I'm unboxing today. Okay, I did go ahead and open it with a knife because you guys know I always struggle with that. One day we'll have an official box cutter, box opener. Hopefully it'll be in my stocking this year for Christmas. Another little hint for someone watching. Okay, so I just opened it up and I'm super excited. There's a little note. Look at this box though, guys. Look at this box. I'm like, when this box came in, I was like, what? The box that I sent her is like half this size, at least. Anyway, I digress. Yeah. I'm so excited. All right, let's see what this says. Happy Nano, I so hope these goodies inspire you to keep going and brighten your day a bit. We've got this. Let's finish strong. Love, Ashley. And her handwriting. I love her handwriting. Okay. Binks is going to love these. Yay. Oh my gosh, there's so many good things. Okay, I'm just going to... Look at it. Okay. Okay, first we have traditional medicines. This is one of my favorite tea brands, by the way. I did just get a different brand recently to try. So for those of you who are tea drinkers, traditional medicines, they have ones for, they even have ones for headaches. They have throat coat. They have a ton, and you can find them at most places. The headache one, you have to order like online directly through them. But I love it. And so this is Nighty Night. This hopefully will help me sleep because I've not been sleeping that great lately. And I believe Ashley has known that. So thank you, Ashley. And I love how it tastes. It tastes really yummy. Okay. So yeah, I love that brand. What is the other? Is it Yogi? I don't know what the other brand is. I always forget the name of it. Okay, we're just going to pull out. Already I see bath fizzies. I'm going to be doing some writing in the bath. I already did in one of the daily vlogs that I did. I only did 3 of them, but in one of them, I just wasn't feeling great. And so I took a bath, and it had been a long time since I had taken a bath. And oh my gosh, these smell so good. VitaBath, bath fizzies with Epsom salt, moisturizing coconut oil for soft, newer skin. Okay, we are definitely going to be using that on these last 2 weeks of Nano for sure. Okay, and I just finished the last Lush bath. It wasn't a fizzy, but it was like, it's one of the like ones for dry skin. I just finished my last one, so that's great. Oh my goodness. I see something. Ashley, okay, I gotta tell you something. Maybe I should save this because I feel like I know what's inside of it. This is on my wish list, my Amazon wish list. This exact bag is on my Amazon wish list for Christmas and stuff. Oh my gosh. I love it so much. I love it so much. It's so cool. I love the feel of it too. And it feels like there's a deck inside. Okay, do I open it? Oh, I love how the zipper zips. Okay. So Ashley got me hooked. There's a backstory to this, which, just so you know, both of us are, our nano projects are both witchy, and I love this little bag. You get out of it what you put into it. This is really cool. I really like this bag. There's a little note on this too. Okay, so Ashley and I are writing a witchy novel, and I had never watched Charmed. I didn't grow up watching much TV, and she mentioned that I should watch Charmed. Well, I'm in the last season, and the next thing on my list is Buffy. So this is just so perfect. This is so perfect. Which I got her hooked on Lucifer, because I do love Lucifer. That's like one of my favorite shows. Okay, this was risky because I know you haven't watched the show yet, but it's so good. And I so hope you end up loving this deck as much as I do. It has great vibes, and the guidebook is awesome. It's the Buffy deck. I'm so excited about this. And I'm excited to watch the TV show. I have to finish Charmed, which again, I'm in the last season. There's a whole new Charmed though. I don't know what that's about. But I'm still in the original. And yeah, okay. There's like so many goodies. I'm just like grabbing and going. Okay, here's a note. What is this? Of course, I got these because of Binks. Hocus Pocus socks, which you can wear all year round, FYI. Our cat Binks, which he is actually put away right now because I knew he'd be getting into all my things. I love this. I love this. I love them. I love them. Okay, I have Binks socks. How fun. And I'm totally going to save all these Post-its and put it in my journal. Okay, now we have some yummy goodness. Peppermint chai tea. That sounds so amazing. Black tea, peppermint, chai masala. Wow. I kind of want to open it and smell it. Let's do that. I'm a peppermint girl, which is so funny because my novel, the main character, well, one of the, is it the High Priestess? Because I'm working through, my character is meeting different versions of herself, but these versions are the archetypes of the major arcana. I think it's the High Priestess. I have in there that she smells like peppermint and vanilla. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Okay. I'm so excited about tea time. All right. Okay, I see pen refills. She knows I'm obsessed with the Uni Jetstream. Love it. So I see the black, the green, and the red. Not the black, the blue, the green, and the red. Yay. I'm curious. 0.7. That's perfect. That's my favorite. Love it. Chapstick. This is the I love all the holiday scents with candles. I love all the holiday chapsticks. My favorite that I do stock up on, I actually have like 3 of them in my couch bag sitting here that are unopened because you can only get them during this time of year, and it is the candy cane. So this comes with the candy cane, and it comes with the sugar cookie, and then what is the, oh, hot chocolate. Love it, love it, love it. These are all paraben free, FYI. I love them. Again, this is my all-time favorite year round. I keep one in my purse. I keep one everywhere. In every pocket of jackets, it's gonna have a candy cane because the peppermint, especially as someone who is highly sensitive and can also tend to be a bit anxious, the peppermint calms me, the tingle, and this gives you the tingle. Sometimes I will even take peppermint essential oil. I'll put this on and then do the essential oil over top of it. You should test that though before you do it, because some people, the peppermint essential oil is like, it's a hot oil, so it might tingle a little too much for some, but I love it. Okay, what is this? A mini magic bell. Cleanse your space, summon change, and attune your energy. Okay, this, I might have to write this in my novel. That is so freaking cool. I'm gonna open it right now. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it opens this way too. That is gorgeous. You guys. Okay. This, how adorable. How adorable. And it's got stars and triangles. Oh my gosh. Okay. I love this. I love this so much. And there's the black 0.7. Okay. And we have more cozy socks. I'm a cozy socks person. In the spring and summer, generally I'm barefoot, but fall and winter, I can't stand being barefoot. Honestly, I can't stand being barefoot, period, but it's just too hot here in North Carolina in the spring and summer. So all the fuzzy socks, please. And this says Focus on it. How cute is that? And they've got gripper soles. I love it. Oh, the cozy vibes. Okay. Oh my gosh. I have a charmed journal. A charmed journal. I would love to see a charmed tarot deck, FYI, or a Lucifer tarot deck. I love that. Ashley, and it's, okay, my novel, I keep mentioning it, but this velvety, it makes an appearance multiple times in my Nano project, and she didn't even know that. So I love it. I love all the little synchronicities. Okay, and I knew there was gonna be a mug because we are both mug people. Now this, I'm like, what is this? Okay, I don't wanna miss anything, so I'm just gonna move everything out of the way. Banks is gonna love that box. I'm gonna put all of that back in. Okay, do I open the mug or the Sage Goddess item first? Let's do the mug. Okay, what? Wow, stunning, stunning, stunning. Oh, so witchy. Oh, and it's got a little charm on, a little keychain. Let's see, I might need scissors to take that off. Actually, no, let's do that. I'm gonna add this to my keychain. That is so cool. The little fur ball. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, now we're gonna look at the bell is staying out. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh wait, there's something in that actually. I'm glad I noticed that. There's a little booklet. All right. There's a little booklet in here. Okay, we're taking that out. That bell is gonna be used. The magic of bells. How freaking cool. Protection magic. Sound wave spell to cleanse and bless. Celebrate winter holidays. Okay, yeah, we're gonna be ringing that a good bit. Okay, the last thing is from Sage Goddess, which we both are obsessed with. Sage Goddess, her rituals, her new moon, full moon, all of that. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right, there's a note. And it's a ring. It looks like a ring. Okay, let's see here. I was actually just looking at rings on Sage Goddess's website today. All right, let's see. Is this folded? All right, let's see if I can get it. Okay, here we go. Carnelian, creativity, protection, confidence, empowerment, sexual energy. Serpentine. It clears chakras, it opens psychic abilities, it opens new pathways for the Kundalini energy isolated at the base of your spine. I was able to snag another one of these rings. May it bless you greatly. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's look at this ring. Wow. Oh, and it has like a little piece of sage in there. That is stunning. Oh my goodness, I love it. I have seen hers. I love it. And it is where you can, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ashley, you've outdone yourself as always. This was so amazing, so amazing. I feel so uplifted and excited to get back to my novel. This has totally inspired me. And I'm looking forward to watching Buffy and playing with all my things and having tea. Oh my gosh, this was amazing. Thank you so much, Ashley. Thank you so much. I'm actually going to open the Buffy tarot deck and flip through the cards because I just love shuffling and all of that. So, okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're doing well. at this really difficult 3-week mark if you're participating in Nano. And yeah, let me know how you're doing. Let me know how your project's going and what you're doing to keep yourself inspired. Okay, until next time, enjoy your wild, sexy lives.